In this GreenGeeks web hosting review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of GreenGeeks web hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, customer support, along with providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning website using GreenGeeks web hosting. I'll also be providing you with a GreenGeeks web hosting discount plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the GreenGeeks web hosting discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit GreenGeeks web hosting. GreenGeeks is a web hosting company that is a leader in eco-friendly web hosting. GreenGeeks has over 55,000 customers worldwide and over 600,000 websites hosted with them. GreenGeeks is a green web hosting company that's been recognized since 2009 by the United States Environmental Protection Agency as a Green Power Partner. GreenGeeks works with Bonneville Environmental Foundation, also known as BEF. The Bonneville Environmental Foundation is a Green E-Partner. GreenGeeks also plants one tree for every hosting account provisioned. Another great thing about GreenGeeks web hosting is for every amperage they pull from the grid, they match 3 times that in the form of renewable energy via the Bonneville Environmental Foundation. GreenGeeks offers hosting services such as shared hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, Reseller hosting, and many more. For this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the most popular shared web hosting plans. GreenGeeks web hosting offers 3 different plans consisting of the Lite plan, Pro plan, and Premium plan. You get a free domain name for the first year with all 3 plans. You get the Lite plan for as low as $2.95 a month, and the plan renews at $11.95 a month. The Pro plan you'll get for as low as $4.95 a month, and the plan renews at $16.95 a month. The Premium plan you can get for as low as $8.95 a month, and it renews at $26.95 a month. All 3 hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificates, global data centers, a user-friendly control panel, one-click installer for 150 plus apps, daily backups, 300% green energy match, 1 tree planted, and 24/7 support. GreenGeeks also offers free website migration if you're needing to migrate from another web hosting provider. The Lite plan is a good plan if you're going to have one website or just starting out. The Lite plan comes with 1 website. This plan comes with standard performance, 50 email accounts, 50 gigabytes of web space. The Pro plan is a good plan as it comes with unlimited websites, unlimited email addresses, and unlimited web space. The Pro plan also comes with better performance compared to the Lite plan. The Pro plan also comes with on-demand backups and WordPress repair tool. The Premium plan comes with unlimited websites like the Pro plan, along with all the same features like unlimited email accounts, unlimited web space, on-demand backups, WordPress repair tool, free dedicated IP, free alpha SSL, and object caching, Memcached, and Redis. Once you decide on a plan, click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a domain name. The domain name will be free if you select an annual term for your GreenGeeks hosting purchase. If you already have a domain name from another domain register, you can type it in over on the right. When choosing a domain name, you can select the .us dropdown and you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. Once you have the domain name that you want, hit the Next button. You'll now be directed to a page where you'll enter your account information. You'll then want to go to Account Plan. If you click on it, you can select the GreenGeeks hosting term you'd like to go with. You'll get the cheapest pricing with the annual 12-month term. After you select the term, you can change the server location if you'd like. If you click Change Location, you can choose between the United States, Canada, Europe, and Singapore. Next is the Essential Add-ons section. You'll see domain locking is included free, as well as total DNS control. If you chose a domain name with GreenGeeks, you'll see ID Protect, Whois Privacy. Domain privacy protects your personal information showing in the public Whois database so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your personal information to flood your email or phone with offers of their services. With domain privacy, it'll show GreenGeeks default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend domain privacy. If you click the check mark, you can unselect if you don't want it. I'll scroll back up to the top. You'll see the total. It'll have a free domain name if you chose an annual plan. You'll see the savings you'll be getting. I'll scroll back down to the bottom of the page. Next, enter your payment information in and click the Create Account button. Now let's go over the back end and control panel of GreenGeeks. Once signed up, this is what the GreenGeeks control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. To access cPanel, click the cPanel button. You'll now be taken to the GreenGeeks cPanel page. Creating free email accounts is quick and easy. Just find the email section and click Email Accounts. You can easily create email addresses ending in your domain name. From the cPanel page, if you scroll down to the bottom to the Softaculous Apps Installer, you'll see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click this to install WordPress if you want to create your site with WordPress. You'll see the Install button. Click this. You'll now be on the WordPress setup page. You can now input details and click Install at the bottom to install WordPress on GreenGeeks web hosting. From the cPanel page, if you type in Softaculous in the search field, click the Softaculous Apps Installer. It'll pull up lots of ways you can create your website. When it comes to customer support, GreenGeeks offers 24/7 customer support via chat and via a support ticket. GreenGeeks also offers phone support Monday through Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Time. GreenGeeks also offers a support knowledge base that has guides, tutorials, and answers to questions that you might have, which can be helpful. Let's go over the site speed and performance of GreenGeeks web hosting. For this test, I used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 782 milliseconds. Super fast website performance. I also did a performance test, and here's the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Awesome performance. I hope you enjoyed this GreenGeeks web hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.